Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a second TikTok account on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the TikTok app and then click on your profile on the lower right and then click on the three lines on the upper right and then scroll down until you reach Switch Account. Click on Switch Account and then Add Account. Afterwards, you may sign up using your phone or email, your Facebook, Apple ID, and etc. So, I will sign up using my email. I'll input my birth date and then click Next, input the email, and then click Next again, wait for it to load, verify to continue, and then now I should create a password. After creating a password, click Next, wait for it to load, create a username, and then sign up. So that's how you can make a second TikTok account on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.